Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet to Paws website and how to connect your Ton wallet and the Solana wallet using the Phantom app. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys in a very simple way. So let's go over to our Telegram and let's go over to the Paws mining app, and it's loading. So this is the home page and I just started a few days ago. So these are my points, and let's go over to in at the downside. Let me go over to the inside and over to in game. You have to move over to in game. Yes, and you're going to see connect wallet via web. So let's go. Let me press it. So this took me to a website. Yes, and it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. It's going to show and you're editing me. So what you're going to do next is you're going to see your name or your account name, and you're going to see a drop down icon. So you just have to press it and this will show up, and it's showing connect Ton wallet, connect Solar wallet, use your Solanian wallet. And let's go over to connect Ton wallet, and this is it. Connect your Ton wallet. You can connect your Ton wallet to anyone you want, either Telegram, Ton keeper, and they have many one here you can do. So what you are going to do, you are going to connect it to the Telegram wallet. Anyone you feel like do you can do it, but I'm going to connect it to the Telegram wallet. So it has taken me back to my Telegram for me to be able to connect my Ton to my wallet. And this is Paws want to connect to Ton space, so you have to do connect. The Paws is now connected. So guys, I'm able to connect my Ton wallet. Let's move over to the Paws website. So this look at that side, you can see that the Paws is now connected to my wallet. So let's go over to connect Solar wallet, which is the Solana wallet, and let's press the Phantom. And here he's saying the Phantom connect, which is connect Phantom wallet and instant Phantom wallet. So guys, on this connect Phantom wallet is where you already created an account, you already have the app on your phone, is working. While on this instant Phantom wallet is when you don't even have the account at all on your phone. So let's go over to the instant Phantom wallet, because me also, I don't have the account. So you have to create an account, which is the Phantom wallet. So yeah, it's saying download for mobile in case I'm using iOS on Android phone. So I'm going over to the iOS side. This is the Apple Store. Here's the Apple Store and Phantom crypto wallet. And let me just press get. I'm installing the app on my phone. Is downloading on my phone right now. So it's done. Let me open it. I've been able to download the app. So this Phantom app, yeah, he said that welcome to Phantom. To get started, create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Yeah, he said I agree to the terms of service, create a new wallet or already have a wallet. And so I don't have an account, so I'm going over to create a new account. So over to the side is saying add a wallet. At the downside it says continue with email or create a seed phrase wallet. So in case you want to continue with email, you can do that, but over here I'm going to create a seed phrase wallet. So I'm going to create a seed phrase wallet because of this security here is high. So let's go over to the next one. You can create a pin or you just do next, but I want to create a pin, and this is me creating my pin. Yes, and next, let's go over to next. And you are all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So we've created an wallet in Phantom app. So what you have to do is just to get started, and here is saying get instant updates, not now. In case you want to do, you can do enable. And let's go over to our Telegram to the Paws. Yes, let's open Paws. So what we have to do now is to go over to the inside and go over to in-gain and go over to connect wallet verb web. Yes, and this is the website. You have taken us back to that website. Yes, let's go back to the drop down icon so we're able to connect Soul wallet. This is the phantom. Let's press it. Now we're going to connect the phantom wallet since we already installed the phantom wallet into our phone. So we're going over to connect the phantom wallet, and that is my pin, and it's saying connect solar wallet. And many people have been giving complaint that they cannot connect their Solana wallet. And what you have to do at this place, you just have to do refresh. Let me don't do refresh. See, I've been trying to do it to confirm if it have been connected, but it's still showing no, it's still showing retried. So I've been doing this thing and it's not working at all, and I was really worried. So I decided to do this. So I decided to go over to that icon there by the right side, and I pressed it and I did refresh, and it shows successful connected. Yet it shows successful connected, which means you have to try it and do, in case your own is doing like this, you just have to go over to the other side and do refresh. And you can see over here that in case it's still showing like this, like we try, you just have to go back, and at the home page at the website is showing connect. That means the Tone wallet and the Solana wallet has been connected. This is how it's supposed to be. And just by doing that, some people did their own just one time, everything went smoothly, while some people are complaining that they have been having issue. So guys, you can see it over there that the Tone wallet and the Solana wallet have been connected. So let's go over to exit. So this will take us back to Telegram. Let's open it. Over here it said account verify, continue in website or stay in Telegram. So I'm going to press stay in Telegram. In this Telegram, so I'm going over to the Paws to check if the Tone wallet and the Solana wallet have been confirmed. And let's go over to in-game, and it's showing good. That means everything have been connected, which is the Tone wallet and the Solana wallet. And guys, it's simple and easy, and this is all for today, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.